प्यारे वतन मेरे प्यारे वतन मेरे प्यारे वतन तू सलामत रहे बागबानी चमन।
बीबी रज़ा पीयू कॉलेज ऑफ साइंस में मैथमेटिक्स डे मनाया गया। एक शानदार लाजवाब एग्जीबिशन ऑफ मैथ्स का एहतमाम किया गया। बीबी रज़ा पीयू कॉलेज की तालिबात ने अपने अपने अंदाज में मॉडल्स का इजहार बयां और मैथ्स की अहमियत, इसके फार्मूलास और इनके मुहक़्क़ीन के बारे में पुरअसर अंदाज में इजहार ख्याल किया, जिनकी सरपरस्ती रियाजी की काबिल लेक्चरर्स मैडम नूरजहां बेगम और नाजिया मैडम ने की। इनकी निगरानी में एग्जीबिशन कामयाब रहा। इस जलसे की सदारत और एग्जीबिशन हॉल की इफ्तिताह फिता काट कर मोहतरमा मखदूम शाह जहां एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर ने अंजाम दिया। लेक्चरर गौसिया ने भी शिरकत की। मेहमान खुसूसी आली जनाब कादरी साहब चीफ एडवाइज़र ने भी इस मैथमेटिक्स एग्जीबिशन का जायज़ा लिया और काफ़ी तारीफ़ी अल्फाज में सराहा। बच्चों की काबिलियत और मेहनत को हमेशा बरकरार रखने की हिदायत की। प्रिंसिपल बीबी रज़ा पीयू कॉलेज के तमाम टीचिंग स्टाफ, नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ ने इसको कामयाब बनाने में मदद की। दीगर कॉलेजेस जिनमें बीबी रज़ा डिग्री कॉलेजेस, नशीमन स्कूल के GN डिग्री कॉलेज का स्टाफ, KBN यूनिवर्सिटी फैकल्टी स्टाफ और स्टूडेंट्स, PG स्टूडेंट्स ने PUC की तालिबात और लेक्चरर मैथमेटिक्स की काविशों को काफ़ी सराहा। शाम 5 बजे तक बड़ी खूबी के साथ ये एग्जीबिशन चलता हुआ इख्तिताम को पहुंचा। वॉइस ऑफ गुलबर्गा के लिए सैयद नईम की रिपोर्ट।
Needs your thought to make it work. The blossom morning to everyone. I, Sheikh Noorjahan, lecturer in mathematics, privileged to welcome and introduce the guest of today's program. First of all, I would like to wish you Happy National Mathematics Day. I would like to welcome the chief guest of today's program, Mohtarama Dr. S.M. Shahjahan ma'am, currently working as an associate professor in mathematics department at BB Raza Degree College, Kalaburgi. I heartily welcome you ma'am, despite of your busy schedule. Despite of your busy schedule, you have graced your presence with us. Welcome ma'am. I would like to welcome the most dynamic personality and backbone of our institution, Mrs. Meenakshi Madam, Principal BB Raza PU College for Women. Welcome ma'am. I would like to welcome the most supportive, caring and encouraging personality, Mohtarama Gausia ma'am, HOD of Physics Department at BB Raza PU College, Kalaburgi. Welcome ma'am. I would like to welcome Ms. Nazia Sheikh, lecturer in mathematics, BB Raza PU College. Welcome ma'am. I would like to welcome all my colleague teaching and non-teaching staff. Last but not least, I would like to welcome all my dearest students who are present over here.
And recognizes the contributions of mathematician Sir Srinivasa Ramanujan. He is a well-known Indian mathematician, was born on this day. That is December 22 is celebrated as National Mathematics Day every year. This day was declared by the former President, Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh at the Madras University in the year 2012. Ramanujan initial struggles in India, followed by departure for England to collaborate with G.H. Hardy, one of the topmost mathematicians of those days, have been well chronicled. The book written on Ramanujam by Robert and the feature film made on his life have splendidly showcased these aspects. Srinivasa Ramanujam began developing his theories in mathematics and published his first paper in 1911. G.H. Hardy encourages him to publish his findings in a number of papers.
Good afternoon, everybody. Esteemed guest of today's function, Professor Makhdoom Shahjahan Madam, respected Gausia Madam, Faculty of Mathematics, respected staff members, my dearest students. Without you, probably this function would never have been successful. Before going on to my words, I would like to wish you all my belated happy Mathematics Day. Why did I say belated is because it was supposed to take place on 22nd December itself. When Madam approached me, many times she approached me, I just went on resisting. Karenge, dekhenge, we'll see Madam. Ask students to prepare models, we'll see. Many times she approached me and I just went on giving my negative response to her, because presently hamare paas construction work is going on. Arranging things was slightly difficult, but somehow we managed. Thank to our management who supported us in this. They have provided us a very big hall for this program so that we could arrange. Otherwise it would never have been possible, guys. When I told her that it is, I don't think this will be possible, Madam, we'll see next year, I just went on postponing, I said. Then एक दिन आए, मैडम ऐसा कैसा होता जी मैडम, बच्चियाँ पूरे प्रिपेयर हो गए, पूरे प्रिपेयर है, मैं उनको क्या बोलूँ, कुछ भी करेंगे मैडम, जैसा भी है हम अरेंज कर लेंगे. The way she spoke to me, I was really touched. जब मुझे करना तो कुछ नहीं था, सिर्फ अरेंजमेंट करना था मेरा. It was she who was behind all this. Of course, Nazia Madam, lecturer in mathematics, also supported her, but the initiation was taken by Noor Jahan Madam. I was really touched and I thought, जब इतना कर रहे, मेरा काम क्या है, सिर्फ अरेंजमेंट करके देना है. तो I thought will do. I also promised her, कैसा भी होता होने दो, अच्छा होता थोड़ा कम होता कुछ भी होने दो, will do it somehow. Credit, discredit, everything will be ours, but effort तो करेंगे हम. I said we finally could arrange it on this day. And okay, Einstein, once says, I'm not good at maths, girls, frankly speaking. My passion all the time has been English literature. Maths is not my cup of tea. Okay. So Einstein once said, don't worry too much about your difficulty with maths. I assure you, mine are still greater. Great physicist was Albert Einstein. If he could have some problems, then definitely each one of us will have some minimum problems. Every one of us will face, from minimum to maximum, we all of us will face in our different facets of life.
A very warm good afternoon to everyone. Myself Isha Firdaus from second year science. Today I stand in front of you to celebrate a subject that brings shapes to our world in many ways. Yes, it is mathematics. As we all know that today we all have gathered here on the special occasion of National Mathematics Day. It commemorates the birth anniversary of the legendary Indian mathematician Sri Srinivasa Ramanujan. He was a self-taught mathematical genius who made significant contribution in the field of maths, especially in the number theory. Though he had almost no formal training in the pure mathematics, but he had many substantial contributions in the mathematical analysis, infinite series, and continued fractions. At the age of 15, Ramanujan obtained a mathematical book containing thousands of theory which himself was verified by his own ideas. Then later, he went to England for his further studies at the Trinity College, Cambridge. Ramanuja independently compiled nearly 3,900 results, mostly including identities and equations. Truly, he was such an inspiring and extraordinary person.
Myself, Samreen Begum from second year science. A very happy National Mathematics Day to all. As we all know that on this day, 22nd December, we remember Srinivasa Ramanujan, who is a great mathematician. His contribution in the world of maths is so profound that he continues to inspire mathematicians worldwide. The importance of maths in our daily life cannot be questioned as it is a part of our life. Mathematics finds its application in many fields like commerce, technology, business, economics, computers, and many more. However, even a simple man needs maths in his daily life. Maths is used in sports, grocery shops, even a housewife in the kitchen needs maths too. Everything involves maths, but we students solving the maths problems be like confusion है, solution कुछ पता नहीं, but still maths is a part of life. With this, I would like to end my speech. Thank you. Have a nice day.
तू सलामत रहे, तू सलामत रहे, तू सलामत रहे, तू सलामत रहे। मेरे अजदाद की मेहनतों का निशान, मेरे असलाफ की अज़मतों का बयान, मेरे अजदाद की मेहनतों का निशान, मेरे असलाफ की अज़मतों का बयान। यादगारे चमन तू सलामत रहे, बाग़बाने चमन तू सलामत रहे, 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 तू सलामत रहे। मेरे प्यारे वतन तू सलामत रहे, बाग़बाने चमन तू सलामत रहे। रब के प्यारों कहे एक हंसी साहिबा, बच्चे बूढ़े जवां हर घड़ी शादी माँ। रब के प्यारों कहे एक हंसी साहिबा, बच्चे बूढ़े जवां हर घड़ी शादी माँ। ऐ बहारे चमन तू सलामत रहे, बाग़बाने चमन तू सलामत रहे, 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 तू सलामत रहे। मेरे प्यारे वतन तू सलामत रहे, बाग़बाने चमन तू सलामत रहे। दिल पंजाब है रिफ़अतों के निशान, और गोलानो खैबर है कहकशां। दिल पंजाब है रिफ़अतों के निशान, और गोलानो खैबर है कहकशां। तोफ़ा-ए ज़ुल्मिनन तू सलामत रहे, बाग़बाने चमन तू सलामत रहे, 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 तू सलामत रहे। मेरे प्यारे वतन तू सलामत रहे, बाग़बाने चमन तू सलामत रहे। सबसे परचम सदा तुम उठाए रहो, गिर न पाए कभी इसको थामे रहो।